Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best picture hangers is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for anyone looking to decorate their living space without causing permanent damage to their walls. Whether you're renting an apartment, frequently redecorating, or simply want a damage-free way to display your cherished memories and artwork, these innovative hangers offer a secure and reliable solution. They eliminate the need for nails and screws, saving your walls from unsightly holes and making the hanging process incredibly simple and stress-free. From lightweight frames to heavier pieces, the right adhesive picture hanger can transform your room's aesthetic with ease and confidence, proving that functionality and style can go hand in hand. Number 5. Art 3D 16 Sets Hook and Loop Tape. Experience unmatched bonding power with our hook and loop tape. It's crafted with high-density nylon for a long-lasting attachment, even after repeated use. This tape's adaptable design caters to a myriad of applications. It's perfect for everything from home decor to office organization. Our selection caters to every need with a variety of sizes and packaging choices. Find the right fit for any project, big or small. Say goodbye to complex installations. With a simple peel and stick mechanism, you get a firm bond in seconds, with no tools or mess required. Choose from two classic colors, sleek black and pristine white. Match your style or your project's theme with ease. What we like. Built to last with high-density nylon, this offers unmatched bonding power for repeated use. Its versatility caters to myriad applications, from home decor to office organization. If you're looking for a durable and adaptable solution for various projects, this is a great choice. What people say. These hangers are incredibly strong and hold my heavy framed pictures securely without any damage to the walls. The adhesive is very effective, and I was impressed with how easy they were to apply and reposition if needed. I love that these hangers are virtually invisible once the picture is hung, maintaining a clean look. Number 4. Jwxstore Heavy-Duty Transparent Adhesive Hooks. Discover a cleaner look for your home. These hooks feature a unique transparent design, making them almost invisible and perfect for any decor. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel and PVC, these hooks are rust-resistant and built for longevity. The strong adhesive ensures they stay put. Forget drills and nails. Simply peel and stick these hooks onto any smooth surface. They're perfect for tiles, glass, metal, and more. These hooks are incredibly versatile. Use them for coats, towels, keys, plants, or even holiday decorations. They can be used in almost any room. Each hook can hold up to 33 pounds, providing reliable support for your heavier items. This set includes 24 hooks to meet all your needs. These transparent hooks offer a modern and stylish solution for your organization needs. They seamlessly blend with most home decorations. What we like. Featuring a unique transparent design, these hooks are nearly invisible, blending seamlessly with your home decor. The durable, rust-resistant construction ensures longevity, even in humid environments. If you need strong, discreet hooks for bathrooms or kitchens, these are ideal. What people say. These hangers hold pictures securely without damaging walls. Easy to apply and remove cleanly. They are strong enough to hold heavier frames. Number 3. Command Picture Hanging Kit. Introducing the Command Picture Hanging Kit, your solution for displaying up to 15 of your favorite memories. It includes everything you need for a perfect display. Say goodbye to holes and sticky residue. Our innovative strips allow you to decorate your walls without causing any damage, keeping them looking pristine. Forget the hammer and nails. This kit makes decorating simple and secure. Just press, click, and hang for a perfectly level display. You can trust it to hold firmly on various surfaces, including painted walls, wood, glass, and concrete. Decorate your home or office with confidence. When it's time for a change or after the holidays, these strips remove easily. Enjoy a clean finish with no sticky residue or wall damage. The kit comes with a convenient, refillable case, perfect for storing your hanging supplies and keeping them organized for future use. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for damage-free decorating, allowing you to hang up to 15 pictures without holes or residue. It includes various strip types for different needs and comes in a convenient, refillable case. If you love to frequently redecorate or display artwork without damaging your walls, This is the perfect all-in-one package. What people say. These hangers are incredibly strong and hold pictures securely without damaging walls. The adhesive is very effective, making installation a breeze and ensuring the hangers stay put. They are perfect for hanging lightweight frames and decorations, offering a clean and minimalist look. Number 2. Adhesive Hooks 32-pack heavy-duty transparent reusable. Introducing our pack of 32 transparent adhesive hooks. Made from rust-proof and waterproof stainless steel and PC material, they are designed to be virtually invisible, bringing convenience to your home and office without compromising aesthetics. These hooks offer a damage-free hanging solution. No nails or drilling are required, and they are easily removable without damaging your walls. You can even reuse them after a quick heat with a hairdryer. Achieve a strong hold by first cleaning the wall and then pressing firmly to remove air bubbles. For best results with heavier items, wait 12 hours. They can hold up to 33 pounds, but we advise against prolonged use with overweight or expensive items. These removable hooks securely attach to various smooth surfaces like glass, tiles, and metal. While not recommended for painted walls, they are perfect for your living room, kitchen, bathroom, and even for holiday decorations. These hooks are incredibly practical for hanging everyday items like hats, keys, towels, and cleaning tools. They are also ideal for festive decorations, making them an indispensable little helper in your life. To remove, gently peel from a corner, using a hairdryer to preheat the adhesive. Any residue can be easily wiped away with alcohol. Please avoid using them for fragile or expensive items for safety. What we like. These hooks are designed to be reusable and removable, offering a damage-free hanging experience. They are waterproof and rust-proof, making them suitable for various environments. If you need a flexible and durable hanging solution that can be repositioned and used multiple times, especially in bathrooms or kitchens, these are a practical option. What people say. The adhesive is strong and holds pictures securely. Easy to apply and remove without damaging walls. Works well on various surfaces, including painted walls and wallpaper. Number 1. Gisde Large Heavy-Duty Picture Hanging Strips. Introducing our heavy-duty picture hanging strips, designed to hold up to 16 pounds without causing any damage to your walls. They are perfect for frames up to 24 by 36 inches. These versatile strips can replace traditional nails or adhesives for hanging pictures and decorations. They work on a variety of smooth surfaces, including painted walls, glass, metal, and tiles. Enjoy a clean finish with our damage-free hangers. When removed properly, they leave no marks or residue behind, protecting your walls. Installation is a breeze. Simply clean your surface, stick the hook and loop strips together, attach them to your item, and press firmly onto a flat surface. For optimal performance, wait 7 days after painting before use and avoid hanging over beds or on wallpaper. Ensure the indoor temperature is between 50 and 105 degrees Fahrenheit. We stand by the quality of our product. If you're not satisfied, enjoy our 90-day money-back guarantee. Contact us with any questions. What we like. With high adhesion, these strips can hold up to 16 pounds without damaging your walls, working on a variety of smooth surfaces. They are designed for easy application and removal, leaving no marks or residue. If you're looking for a reliable way to hang frames and decor without nails, especially on painted walls or tiles, these are an excellent choice. What people say. These hangers hold pictures securely without damaging walls, making them ideal for renters. The adhesive is strong and reliable, even on textured surfaces, ensuring pictures stay put. They are very easy to apply and remove, leaving no residue behind. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.